How to stop WhatsApp saving photos to gallery. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to stop WhatsApp saving photos to gallery. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here from the drop down menu that appears, you can just tap on settings. And now here, once you're inside the settings, you simply have to scroll down and tap on chats. And now here, once you're inside this section, if you scroll down there, you'll see the option labeled as media visibility. So here you just have to toggle off this option. And now here, once you toggle off this option, it will prevent WhatsApp from saving photos to gallery. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.